How to upgrade Cash App limit. Hi everyone, in this following tutorial I'm going to show you the ways to upgrade Cash App limit. So in order to upgrade Cash App limit, all you have to do is watch this video till the end. The simple way of upgrading your Cash App limit is by verifying your account. For that case, you have to go and log in into your Cash App account, and when you're logged in, tap the profile icon from the top right hand side corner, and as you click on it, it's going to take you to the other field where you have to go and select your profile. And when you go and select your profile, from there you need to go and scroll down a bit and go to verify my account. When you click on verify my account, you'll be able to see this information as what sort of stuff you'll require while you're verifying your account, and go through it and verify your account. And once done verifying your account, then you'll have successfully upgraded or changed your limit on Cash App. However, if this is also not working out, then you can contact the support team and state about the issue, and they'll look into your matter. So that's how you can change your limit on Cash App. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.